Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 70 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. You will see me introducing the many markets that I cover in this long video. I've left no stone unturned. I've really covered thoroughly the Forex market. Even Forex pairs that I did not cover, you would get a pretty good idea what they are likely to do from analyzing the main trend in the various chief currencies that we cover in the Forex market. I also took a very good look how the message that I'm getting from the Forex market, how is it influencing and how is it relating to the various other markets, to the commodities, to oil, to the bonds, and of course to the stock market. I am pretty sure that if you sit through and watch this long video and pay attention, you will be excellently prepared for the coming week and beyond. And you can see all those setups if you can just take a trial of my service, give a try to my service. You can pay with PayPal or there are other payment means. If you're interested in further details on my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have a great trading week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. In this video I have plenty of charts and I'll be going step by step analyzing meticulously the Forex market and see how it can help us to look forward not just in the Forex market but also of course in the related markets, the commodities and the stock market. So here's the long list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, British pound, US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, the euro, Singapore dollar, the euro, Swedish krona, the euro, Turkish lira, the euro, Hungarian forint, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Chinese yuan, US dollar, Taiwanese dollar. And then I'll continue with gold, silver, heating oil, Brent crude, and then the Canadian energy index, very interesting situation there. And then the bonds, the TLT, the UST bond, continuous chart, UST bond December contract, and then the TYX, the Euro charts, the VIX, the Dow, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the S&P 100, the Nasdaq, the DAX, and I'll terminate this long video with a look at the CAC 40 of France. Okay, that's the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. This one, I'm just wondering if you are not entering the very first stage of complete all-out panic in this one and in the next one, and that will coincide also with a pretty big shakeout in commodities. And that goes back, brings memories of 2008. This wave count does rely on the event of 2008 very strongly. You can see that's the weekly scale of the Australian dollar, Japanese yen going back to 2005. 1, 2, third wave, fourth wave. Fourth wave could be done. We could be now on our way to test 55. That would sit nicely as an A, that's a triangle B, and that's C complete. If I'm right, look for it to come to test 80, and without spending months here, it should start breaking down because that will be an impasse wave. Let's have a look at the 60 minutes. And also the breakdown here is looking quite good. 1, 2, we could have here another 1, 2, let's take a line chart. Do you see? I didn't put film labelings here, but I think that we are looking at deteriorating price structure here that will carry it quite a bit lower. If this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we will have a bit of rally. Now, I doubt it's going to go above 83.20 and then huge smash. If this is a more complex 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, we go down straight away. But this is a Forex pair that could become extremely profitable once it goes into a panic because it does move lightning speed. Take a look, like this one. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Look at that. Look at that. And it's been going nowhere now for almost 3 years. But I suspect that, like in the case of the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, that could be a 1, 2, 3, and that's a 4 sweep. And we could even have seen the first leg down. That's the second. We are waiting for the third. Let's have a look from close here. That's the daily now. That's 1, and just look at that. That doesn't look impulsive. Looks to me very corrective. If I'm right in reading that, we may have seen the beginning of the deterioration here of a third wave. Let's go to the 60 minutes. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. We're in a 4 sweep. We're in a tiny 4 sweep. Expect further downside. This could become pretty dramatic market to trade. It does have very good swings. Look, very good swings for trading. And this is just a minor scale, yes? If you go to the weekly, you see exactly what I mean. Do you see this is already, just this in itself is fantastic moves to trade. And that doesn't look to me like something that is going to go up. That looks to me corrective. That's impulsive. It finished a perfect triangle, perfect looking triangle. But it will become highly likely that we are heading to 45 and lower on the break of 55. But that is already quite a bit of progress in my opinion. Okay, that's the US dollar Chinese yuan. I don't want to spend a long time on that. I just included it together with the next one, the next chart, just to show you that the dollar is losing ground massively here. Just look at that. That's the weekly scale of the US dollar Chinese yuan. Helpless. Helpless. I thought for a while, I thought that we may have seen some sort of an attempt to hold ground here with a valiant effort of running above this descending line that was controlling the market for so many years. Nothing. Look, that should tell you a lot. Tell you a lot about how the power is being shared in the world. Power is moving. Economic power is moving massively from the west to the east. You can see it in the currencies, and you can see that here. An attempt to recover ground for 6 months just dropped like nothing, and this is not looking like a bottom. No way. This is looking to me like we are in the midst of an impulse wave. Look, if I take it on a line chart, so you can see that, I think that could be a 1, 2, and that could be a 3, 4, but there is definitely further downside. So the US dollar is not doing well against the Asian currencies. Look at that. This is the US dollar new Taiwan dollar composite. That's the weekly scale, taking us back to 1994. Without dwelling on the very long-term analysis here, and I don't have a precise wave count for you, but I just look at what happened since here, and look at that. Failed to rally above overhead resistance. We're talking about almost, this is almost 2 years. Looks nothing, but this is almost 2 years attempt to recover above the blue line. What came out of it? It's looking down, and it fits perfect as a 1, 2. That's a third. That's a 4 sweep. Ended here, here, or still ongoing. We might have just a small bounce here, but that looks to me the most natural course of the development here. 5 legs looking down. Here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AUDJPY. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AUDJPY, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have money bookers. If you have an account with money bookers, I would welcome you paying through money bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of to people from a lot of countries. Also Payza, AUDJPY used to be AUDJPY, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries, so that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page, and I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got contact us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand if you like my service? I mean, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links. Speaks for itself. Blank page. Inconsequential. And that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up. It comes up with the sign up. You've got your AUDJPY practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. AUDJPY practitioner weekend edition. That's a yearly subscription. and then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month, yes, every month, and that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, you know, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, Alert Pay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. You know, I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.